Hello everyone. Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Program of Electrical Engineering welcomes all students. So we have started energy conservation in electrical installation system, that is unit number 3, which carries 16 marks, and the course outcome for this particular unit is apply energy conservation techniques in electrical installation. Especially we are looking for transmission and distribution. So this is syllabus for energy conservation techniques in electrical installation system. Out of this syllabus, up till now we have completed 3.1 and 3.2. Also we have completed different losses which are not included in the syllabus, but those losses took place in the transmission and distribution system, and those are skin effect, corona effect, proximity effect, equipment loss and dielectric loss. So these losses we have covered in previous lecture, that is in lecture number 17. So today we are going to deal with the commercial losses, that is 3.3 commercial losses, which is also called as a non-technical losses, their causes and remedies. So let's start with the commercial losses. So this is our lecture number 18. So the commercial losses, pilferage, their causes and remedies. So pilferage meaning stealing things of little value किंवा वीज चोरी आपण म्हणू शकतो की ज्याच्यामध्ये by hooking or by doing different techniques we can steal electricity from the supply system, and the consumption or the recording of that electricity will not be done. So let's see commercial losses. So these are the commercial losses, in which first is power theft, second unmetered power supply, meter inaccuracies, meter discrepancies, small unmetered loads, billing issues and lower collection efficiency, that is lower collection of money from the consumer. So these are the different non-technical losses which are done at the administration level or at the consumer premises. So these are the losses we will see in today's lecture, and what are the causes behind them and how we can reduce these losses, that we will see. So let's start with the first, power theft, which is also called as in Marathi वीज गळती. So power theft can be done in two ways, by tampering the meter or by direct hooking. In images you can see, in first image you can see the power theft means one man is there which is hooking the line which takes the power from the line by hooking method. So this is direct hooking method. And second, by tampering the meter. Tampering the meter means doing unauthorized changes which are illegal in the meter by the consumer, so that the meter will not count the consumption of electricity which is done by the consumer. So let's start with the meter tampering. So meter tampering करायचं म्हणजे काय करायचं. So purposefully burning of meter means some consumers purposefully burns their energy meter so that they couldn't receive electricity bill for what they consume. Next, bypassing the meters means though consumer is consuming electricity but the meter will not account the consumption, that is called as bypassing of meter. Third is disturbing the disk rotation by inserting some material externally, means एनर्जी मीटरमध्ये जे ॲल्युमिनियमची डिस्क असते, प्रिव्हियसली ॲनालॉग मीटरमध्ये ते असायचं डिस्क, की ती डिस्कचे रोटेशन काउंट होऊन मग आपलं युनिट्स कन्झ्युम झालेले काउंट व्हायचे. बट काहीतरी एक्सटर्नल मटेरियल एनर्जी मीटरमध्ये ॲड करून डिस्क रोटेशन स्टॉप करायचो. दॅट ऑल्सो वन काइंड ऑफ मीटर टॅम्परिंग. नेक्स्ट, प्लेसिंग द पॉवरफुल मॅग्नेट ऑन द meter so that the meter couldn't count the rotation, disk rotation. Next, changing meter terminals. मीटर चेंजिंग, मीटरमधले जे टर्मिनल्स आहेत ते चेंज करून असे चेंज करायचे की मीटरचं जे काउंटिंग आहे कन्झम्पशनचं ते होणार नाही. नेक्स्ट, स्टॉपिंग मीटर्स बाय रिमोट कंट्रोल. मीटरचं जे रोटेशन किंवा डिस्क जे फिरतं त्याचं रोटेशनच थांबवायचं, त्यामुळे कन्झम्पशन काउंट होतं, जे एनर्जी कन्झ्युम केलेलं ते होणार नाही, पण कन्झ्युमर will consume the electricity, but it is not recorded by the energy meter. And the last, direct hooking. As you see in the picture, first picture, you can see one man is there which directly hooking electricity and stealing the power, and it is not at all recorded anywhere. So that is called as a direct hooking. So these are the causes for which power theft is done. Now what we can do to avoid this power theft? So here are the remedies which we can use to reduce the power theft. So first is use digital energy meter instead of analog meter. Consumer should use, or MSEDCL should install a digital meter at the consumer premises, so that there will be no alteration or no meter tampering at the consumer premises by the consumer. Next is use tamper-proof energy meters or use seal-proof energy meters, so that consumer cannot do any unauthorized changes or illegal changes in the energy meter, so that the consumer cannot reduce his electricity bill or energy consumption. Next is set up vigilance squad. MSEDCL is using vigilance squad for power theft. Next, conduct surprise raids or checks on consumer premises to detect theft of electricity or pilferage. So vigilance squad सेटअप करून सुद्धा आपण काय करू शकतो, डायरेक्ट हुकिंग जे होतं ते आपण काय करू शकतो, डिटेक्ट करू शकतो. अँड वी कॅन टेक स्ट्रिक्ट ॲक्शन among those consumers so that there will be less power theft. So this is about the power theft, their causes and the remedies. Now next is the unmetered power supply, which is particularly for agriculture consumer. So the causes for unmetered power supply is agriculture pumps is one of the major cause of commercial loss for the most states. So agriculture tariff is such that it charges for the consumption per unit of HP of the motor. So state government gives subsidy on agriculture consumption, hence some utilities deliberately overestimates this energy consumption, unmetered energy consumption. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय होतो की कॉजेस जे ॲग्रिकल्चर कन्झ्युमर्स आहेत विच आर कन्झ्युमिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बट अकॉर्डिंग टू देअर युजेस अँड देअर मीटर, त्या दोघांमध्ये काय असणार आहे, डिफरन्स असणार आहे. अँड अशा ॲग्रिकल्चर कन्झ्युमरला गव्हर्नमेंट सबसिडी देतं सो दॅट सम युटिलिटीज ओव्हर एस्टिमेट्स दिस अनमिटर्ड कन्झम्पशन, म्हणजे त्यांचं कन्झम्पशन जास्त दाखवतात सो दॅट दे विल गेट दी सबसिडी. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस it will again accounts for the commercial losses. So remedies for this is use proper method for billing such a agriculture consumer so that proper electricity bill will be received by the consumer. So this is about the unmetered power supply. Next is meter discrepancies, means difference in the meter readings. So in that first cause, improper calibrated energy meter if we use at a consumer premises, then it causes meter discrepancies. So because of this, a proper or correct electricity bill will not be recorded. Next is defective energy meters. जर आपण कंझ्युमरच्या इथे इन्स्टॉल केले किंवा कंझ्युमरनी बिकॉज ऑफ सम रिझन बर्निंग ऑफ मीटर, हेवी लोड on the meter will read the higher consumption and may cause burning of terminal box. So because of this, meter will not read correct or will not record correct energy consumption. And the next is recording may also reduced due to wrong city ratios. Suppose consumer ने जर city ratio change केला, then a proper recording of electricity consumption will not be recorded by energy meter, so that the consumer will get less electricity bill. जरी consumer electricity bill less receive करत असेल पण consumption जर जास्त असेल, because of all these changes consumer may get reduced bill, but the consumption of such a consumer is more, but they are receiving less electricity bill because doing this unauthorized changes. So instead of using all these things, we can use digital electronic meter to reduce this meter discrepancies. So the remedies: use proper calibrated energy meter before installation. Next, use tamper-proof energy meter or seal-proof energy meter at the consumer premises and check CT ratios whether it is correct or not. So by using all these remedies, we can reduce the meter differences or the meter discrepancies. Next is meter inaccuracies. So the causes for meter inaccuracies: losses due to the meter inaccuracies are nothing but difference between the actual energy supplied to the consumer through a meter and amount registered by the meters. So there is a difference due to the meter and inaccuracies. There is always difference between the energy supplied to the consumer and the amount registered by the meters. So in some cases, actual energy supplied to the consumer may be more and the amount registered by the meter or the electricity consumption recorded by the meter may be less. So because of this less registered energy consumption, consumer will receive the less electricity bill. So this is one kind of loss, money loss to the MSEDCL because of the meter inaccuracies. Now remedies. So for this meter inaccuracies, we must use properly tested, properly calibrated energy meter at a consumer premises and analyze energy supplied to the consumer through the meter and the amount registered by the meter, so that we can come to know that whether the meter is accurate or inaccurate. Now small unmetered load. So the cause for the small unmetered loads are: in some sections energy consumption or the usage is estimated in place of measuring it with an energy meters. This gives rise to unmetered losses. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय होतो की काही कंझ्युमर्स असे असतात की ज्यांचा लोड फिक्स आहे, वर्किंग आवर्स फिक्स आहेत, अशा कंझ्युमरला एनर्जी मीटर बसवत नाही, डायरेक्टली त्यांचं बिल केलं जातं. सो दिस case mostly happens in case of street lighting, whether the street lighting number of lamp posts are fixed and the number of working hours of street light are fixed. So such a consumers receives fixed amount of electricity bill, but in some cases electricity lamp posts are continuously run, whether it is night or it is in the day also. So such a consumption will not be recorded and hence this is also one kind of loss. म्हणजे काही ठिकाणी हे जे लॅम्पपोस्ट आहेत ते लॅम्पपोस्ट सकाळी सुद्धा ऑन असतात, इवन ॲट द 6-9 AM ऑल्सो. म्हणजे सकाळी 9-10-11पर्यंत हे लॅम्पपोस्ट सुरूच असतात काही ठिकाणी. सो सच अ कन्झम्पशन इज नॉट रेकॉर्डेड बाय दी एनीवेअर. सो सच अ कंझ्युमर विल गेट लेस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, बट इट इज कंझ्युमर मोर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दॅन इट्स दी bill. So what is the action against this small unmetered load? We must use proper energy meter for measuring energy consumption of such a consumers instead of fixing the charges. Next is billing issues. So first, consumer complaints are like bill is not received in a particular time, late reception of bill by a consumer, receiving wrong bill, difference meter reading, wrong applied tariff, wrong calculation. So these are the causes, billing issues for the consumers. Some consumers will not receive correct bill for what they are consuming. Some consumer will be in a wrong calculation, so that some consumer is having less load but they are receiving high amount of electricity bill. So such a consumer will not pay electricity bill in a time, or that consumer will not pay electricity bill because of the increased electricity bill amount. So what we should do to face this billing issues? We must set up a proper administration team so that the consumer will receive correct bill at a correct time period, so that there will not be any more unpaid electricity consumer. Now, lower collection efficiency. Cause for the lower collection efficiency. Lower collection efficiency in terms of money means MSEDCL collects less electricity bill for what electricity consumed. Next, so due to the improper administration work, most of the time utility failed to collect the actual bill by the consumer. So this is also one kind of money loss for the utility. So the remedies for this lower collection efficiencies, again we must set up a proper administration team so that every consumer will get electricity bill at a correct time, and that consumer will pay electricity bill within a given time. Otherwise, if there are unpaid consumers, so disconnect such unpaid consumers from the. So these are the commercial losses which are not technical, which occurs at the administration level or at the consumer level. So we can reduce these losses by taking different measures like setting vigilance squad, installing digital energy meter, tamper-proof energy meter, disconnecting unpaid consumers from the supply, those who are not paying electricity bill in a given time. So we can use such a techniques to reduce the non-technical losses or the commercial losses. So thank you for watching this video.